In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture in a comment in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll be able to hover over a cell and see an image appear inside its note, which is great for quick previews, product thumbnails, or visual references without cluttering your worksheet. Start by opening your workbook and navigating to the cell where you want the image to appear. Right-click that cell to open the context menu and choose New Note. In newer versions of Excel, a note is the classic comment box. It will appear next to the cell with a small text area inside. You can leave the default text for now. We'll focus on the background. Next, bring up the formatting options for that note. Right-click again, either on the same cell or, if the note is visible, on the note's border to access its options, and choose Format Comment. If you don't see that option, make sure the note is active by clicking its border first. In the Format Comment dialog, go to the Color and Lines tab. This is where you control the note's fill and outline. Under Fill, open the Color drop-down. Instead of picking a solid color, select Fill Effects to access more advanced options. In the Fill Effects window, switch to the Picture tab. Click Select Picture and choose the image you want to display. You can select a file from your computer or a supported source depending on your Excel version. For best results, use a clear, reasonably sized image. Very large files can slow things down, and extremely tall or wide images may look stretched depending on the note's shape. Once you've chosen your image, confirm your selection. Click OK to apply the picture as the fill and close the dialogues. You'll now have a note with your image set as its background. When you hover over the cell, the note will appear, and your picture will be visible inside it. A few quick tips to make it look polished. Pick an image with an aspect ratio that matches the note's general shape so it doesn't appear distorted. If the default text is distracting, simply delete the placeholder text inside the note so only the image shows. Also, remember that the image sits behind any text in the note, so lighter images tend to work better if you plan to include labels. That's it. You've successfully inserted a picture inside a comment-style note in Excel, creating an elegant, hover-to-view visual without adding extra columns or shapes. If you found this helpful, keep practicing with a few sample images to see what looks best in your specific worksheet.